Have you ever wondered what happens when nature unleashes its fury? From tornadoes tearing everything apart to floods swallowing entire cities, disasters are not only destructive, but also leave behind stories that make anyone shiver. Join me as we explore the moments when humanity becomes powerless before nature's unstoppable force. Before the fury of the tornado, even a solid wall shattered, fragile as paper. A scene that made everyone shiver. A resident captured the moment the tornado formed, swirling toward the suburbs and sweeping through, leaving minor injuries on a farm. The fury roared, carrying mud wildly. That flow was not just water. It was a brutal warning. Before the disaster struck, the rescue team arrived in time. A breathless race, and they won. The most dangerous part is that there were no signs of a landslide beforehand. The mountains were ready to bury everything. No one can stop it. Nothing can resist it. A pure and absolute force. That old bridge had endured too long. We cannot blame it. If blame is due, it lies with nature. Too cruel. A devastating tornado swept through, and no one was injured. Was it luck, or did nature show mercy? When the mountain cracked open, what did you see? A disaster, or a gateway to another world? After the disaster, electronics stores were nothing but ruins. The damage was immense, beyond imagination. The wind howled, terrifyingly fierce. Just one sweep could blow away even an adult. Is that a bridge or a dancer? Amid the raging storm, it swayed like a performer, chilling to watch. A massive steel crane, yet the wind tossed it aside like a toy. That power, truly horrifying. What is the scariest thing? The moment disaster strikes so fast, we cannot react. Like a giant mirror cracking, the river was no longer calm. It roared and shattered under an invisible force. A strange symphony of order and chaos. The herd moved as if programmed, yet full of emotion.
Yeah.
The giant bridge collapsed too easily, like Lego blocks pulled apart in an instant. What if houses had been below? Luckily, it was only an abyss, and no one was harmed. A small landslide. How could it create such a violent dust storm? Nature always knows how to astonish us. Who would have thought? In an instant, it turned into an unintentional thrill ride. How does a volcano erupt? This moment will show you. No book can describe it fully. Seemingly harmless, yet that small tornado was strong enough to devastate an entire area. Cheering at a collapsing bridge, that is not joy, but a serious decline in social conscience. Like a sleeping monster awakening, the glacier roared down into the abyss. A truly chilling sight. A 30-meter-high dust devil suddenly rose in Manchester. It swallowed the street, leaving onlookers stunned. The camera captured the desperate efforts of the shop staff, but nature was too powerful. No one could win. His punches weren't bad, but waves don't fall to a knockout. I fear that's the truth. Do they realize they are insulting nature? Disregarding its power only brings danger closer.
Вон он, смерть. Твою.
Due to this morning's tornado, the Meteorological Center had to suspend all flights. Nature froze the skies.
Вертолет тоже.
Фу.
For the people of central Vietnam, storm season isn't just natural disaster. It's the shadow of hunger and disease returning every year. The water will recede, but the thick mud left behind is the true nightmare, making Brazil struggle to recover after the landslide. Oh my God!
You wanna come? Oh, is that a roof? Top.
On June 22nd, 2007, a tornado erased their home in Elie, Manitoba, from a peaceful shelter to rubble in moments.
Doesn't mean it's enough.
It's not the mill, it's the...
The boat capsized in an instant. Onlookers were stunned, and once again, nature claimed victory. On June 22nd, 2007, a tornado erased their home in Elie, Manitoba, from a peaceful shelter to rubble in moments. nature is both breathtakingly beautiful and terrifyingly destructive. And today's disasters remind us that we must respect, stay alert, and protect this planet we call home. If you found this video meaningful and want to raise awareness about the power of nature, please hit like, share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss upcoming stories. And you? Have you ever witnessed a natural disaster yourself? Share your experience in the comments below. I'd love to hear your story.